Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So over the last couple of months, I've been letting you know that if you're using Google Chrome, that Google is going to be integrating a new Lens user interface into Chrome's existing image search. And I'll leave a video I posted on that, a more in-depth video. I posted that about 2 months ago. I'll leave that in the end screen and down below in the description. But just a quick recap. Currently, as an example, in Chrome Canary 129, which is an early preview version, if we right click on an image, you'll see search with Google Lens now. That's replaced search image with Google. If we click on that and we right click or left click and just highlight some text in that image as an example, or a part of an image, here you get the new user interface, an option to select the text and also to translate that text if it's in a foreign language, and then we get our related searches here using Lens in the actual site panel. Now, this feature hasn't rolled out yet to the stable version, but if we head over to Chrome stable version 127, very soon, if not later today, to be upgraded to version 128. The feature, as mentioned, isn't available yet, and if you right click on an image, you still get search image with Google. So just as an example, if I go to my YouTube channel, search image with Google, you still get that option. Now, if you want search image with Google Lens, then you can enable it in the stable version of Chrome before it becomes officially available. And how we do this is we enable the Lens overlay experimental flag. So if you are comfortable to fiddle with the experimental features in the browser, then what we do to enable this feature is we head up to our Omnibox, we enter chrome://flags, and in the search, just type in Lens. There we go, Lens overlay is the flag, and the description reads, enables Lens search via an overlay on any page, okay? And we change that from default to enabled. Now, there are a couple of other variations of enabled available, but I'm just going to use the default enabled for the purpose of this video. And then we'd have to relaunch the stable version to apply that flag. And now you'll see if I head back and I right click, search with Google Lens, and the same applies. And the first time you run this feature, you'll get this little dialog and menu. Search anything on this page with Google Lens. When you use Google Lens, a screenshot of the page is sent to Google. So just take note of that. So obviously, if you are concerned about privacy, maybe this is a feature you don't want to enable. You click on continue, and there we go. And the same applies. I can drag, and you get the idea. Now, the only thing I'm not seeing compared to the preview version is, as the extra options here on the new user interface, we only get select text. We don't get translate text. So obviously, this is still an experimental flag, but nonetheless, I would say that the majority of this feature is working with this flag enabled in the stable version. And then once you've completed your drag to search, you'll see in the actual site panel, we get those images related to our actual search using Lens. And something else you can also try is, if we just head out of that by using escape, if I use search with Google, I can actually do this on any image, where search image with Google only works on an image. So I can actually do this on any website. It doesn't have to be an image, because it says enables Lens search via an overlay on any page. So search image with Google only works when you right click on an image, but this Lens overlay works on any page. It doesn't have to be an image, which I think is a little bit of a bonus, which kind of upgrades it a little bit from using the image search with Google. And I know Google Lens in the Chrome browser has received quite a lot of flack and negative review, but nonetheless, if this is a feature you would use, just wanted to show you how you can integrate the new Lens user interface into the stable version before it becomes available as a default feature. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.